Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about order by clause. I am using free trial Snowflake account and I am using shared database by Snowflake sample data. Order by clause is used to sort the row in a result set. Here I am fetching customer key and account balance from table customer and order it by customer key by ascending order. So let's execute this query. Here you can see here I am putting ASC to ascending order by customer key. Ascending order means lower value come first and after that larger value in increasing order. ASC is by default in order by clause. If I not use ASC operator, then it's say by default take ASC operator. So if I execute this statement without putting ASC operator, then you can verify that the ASC is by default same result as before. If I want to do it by descending order, then we have to specifically put DSC operator, means decreasing order. Larger value come first and after that come smaller value. If I execute this statement, you can see the result, larger value coming first, after that a smaller value in decreasing order. Let's see this query. I am fetching customer name, customer call center ID, customer record and date from the call center table. If I execute this statement, it order the result set in ascending order by record and date. And you can see here this column contain null value. By default null come last in ascending order. If I doing ascending ordering, then null come last. Okay, now if I want to null come first in our result, then we have to specifically put here nulls come first and nulls first statement after ASC operator. Okay, to ensure the data set with null value appear first in the result set. So if I execute this statement, you can see here the null is coming first. So same as if I do order by clause record and date by descending order, then let's see the result. Here by default null come first in descending order. So if I want to null in the last of result set, then we have to specifically put here nulls last statement after DSC operator. If I execute this statement, you can see here the result now coming null come in last. Okay, we can use more than one column in order by clause and do descending as well as ascending. So in this query I am fetching customer key and market segment from the table customer and order it by customer key in descending order and market segment in ascending order. So if I execute this statement, you will see the result here, the customer key in decreasing order and market segment in ascending order by alphabet order. So now let's check this query. We can also use number as per select statement, means one belong to customer key, two belongs to market segment, and if a number of a column, then as respectively. If I execute this statement, then customer key in ascending order and market segment 2 means market segment in by default ascending order. So we can use number as well in order by clause. You can sort by column, not in the select statement. If I selecting line item number from line item table and extended price from line item table and sort it by extended price. If I not use this statement, then we can also sort by we can use column in order by clause. So if I execute this statement, remove comma from here. Now let's execute. We can see here that without using column in select statement, we can sort by order by clause. We can also use expression in order by clause. Okay, here we are doing account balance plus 100 and also in select statement and also use this in order by clause. Okay, If I not use a DSC operator, then by default ASC operator take in order by clause. Okay, we can also use order by clause with where condition, but where condition come before order by clause. Okay, so let's execute this statement. We are getting here automobile market segment only and order it by account balance in this query. Okay, we can also use alias in order by clause. Here market segment I put alias M. We can also use AS, and AS is by default optional keyword. So without using AS, we can give here the market segment alias as M, and we use M as for ascending, for descending. So I am using here descending. So let's execute. You can see here the result in descending order, and filter the data also for automobile. If without filtering, we can use also alias in order by clause. That's all about order by clause. If you like my content of video, like my video and also subscribe. Thank you for watching.